thought it might be helpful if I showed an example of drawing one of these diagrams in orthogonal from right from the start, just to clear out some of the knots as to why we draw certain things in certain ways in third angle and how AutoCAD can be used to help. And I'm also starting with this problem 511 because a lot of people have had a bit of trouble with that, especially doing the hidden lines and that sort of thing. So to start off, we're going to draw the top view, looking down from above, something like pretty shit arrow, but something like that. So we've got and I'm going to start from this point here for an important reason. So if I don't have dimensions on this drawing, but if you look at the book, you can see that across the front it's 50 in length, and at the side we have 40, across the back 10, and then we have this angled section at 30 degrees. So I've already set my object snapping, polar tracking to lock in at 30 degrees. So I can mouse up from that corner, get my extension tracking in, and bang, that's where that line goes. Now you'll notice as well in that drawing it says 5 all around is the dimension from the top and bottom face to the inner face. So I'm going to offset all of these lines a distance of 5. This is going to form my hidden lines. It's also going to help me define the position of the points underneath when I come back around there to draw the other views. So again we can take a shortcut with trim, selecting everything at once. Okay, now this point in the middle, where are we? So this line is 20 off the side, no, 15 off the side, extending 15 across there, like that. Okay, now these lines need to be hidden. So I haven't got hidden loaded. Load. Okay, so again, select the lines you want to be hidden. Drop down hidden from the menu. And there we are. We'll try to scale maybe 0.5 something. Anyway, whatever. That's that view done. Now we come on to next view. Oh shit, we don't have this hidden in there. So this middle bit here that I've drawn hidden isn't actually hidden. That's a continuous line, so probably the easiest way to get rid of that is just to trim out the part that's not hidden and redraw it back in. When we come around to do our front view, let's offset that 20 or something, 200. Oops. Copy this line about 20 paces down, and again we've only got the width from what we had above. This top bit is 8, and then I'm just banging all of these features nice and quick. Bang. So you can see, like, it's important when you have your drawings one on top of the other in third angle, so that you're able to quickly get information from each. And that one's go there either. Now we want to find the position of the lines on the interfaces, so we can use these hidden lines. Going down. It says on the side of the diagram it's 30 high, and the top and bottom bits are 8, so that leaves 14 in the middle. Again, we can do the same thing here, run this down, bang, 14. Now we're going to have a hidden line from the outer edge. So if I run from that corner, hidden line on the outer edge up the top, and also down the bottom when we come to that view. But this inner edge is on a slightly different line. The interface, oops, once I get to mouse down correctly, comes along there. And to save time, I'm trying to mirror up wherever I can. I can mirror that line, I can mirror that one, I can mirror about this center. And it's one continuous line through there. Okay, now this, and this are all hidden. So that's that. Now, as well, if you look from this front view, this gap here, you won't see anything in terms of what's actually there. This is all one face. That's all one face in there, just like it would be shown over there. But you would see the dotted line along that back line. So we will have a hidden line in here. Drop that one down as well. Okay, what about this side view? One of the things that'll probably make it a lot easier to draw this side view is if I had another view that I could work with from my previous, something from one of the sides I've already previously drawn. So what I'm going to do in this instance is to help me work through here, I'm going to copy this point over here and rotate it to face the way I want it to face. Face like that, or the other way? Yeah, like that. And then move it back in line with both that and this. Okay. So now when I come to do my lines for things like top edge, I can see I'm running along here, coming down 8 and across. So we're going to have a hidden line in here. These interfaces we'll put in there, 14 down. This one as well, 14. That's good. Get rid of that line. No, so another problem if you had, if you line up from these corners, you can see that that's the position of this outer line. You'll actually see that hidden line there, and similarly we'll see it down the bottom there, 8. This middle one though is not there. Same way we found the line over here before, we can find that this one is the corner to this line. And so this line, this line, this line, and that one are all hidden. And now it's just filling in the last little bits. Okay, so now I'm going to check the drawing, make sure I haven't made any mistakes. I'll leave that there for the time being. So I'm using the ray command here because ray draws a line from my start point to infinity at whatever angle I specify. And I'm clearing it with just enter, enter to put it in again, enter, clear, enter, check this line. Yep, that line's up, enter, 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 enter. Just checking that all these things line up properly, that I've got a feature and everywhere there's an intersection, which I do. This view, so I can come across from, probably should help going from that side, it will be helpful from here though, that's in the right spot, that's in the right spot, that's in the right spot. And this is true third angle as well, because we haven't flopped the object over to fall over on, in each of these views, it's been rotated correctly. And unless I've made some gross error, I do believe that's the correct drawing. So there you have it, that's 511 from scratch. Hopefully it's been of some help. If anyone's got any questions, you can leave a comment as one you'd like to see me do or something like that, and I'll upload a video for that. In the meantime, happy drawing.